Hey, this is Austin with Palmer Johnson Power Systems. I want to talk to you today about funk and specifically about hard parts and identifying them within the funk family of drivetrain components. I'm talking their power shift transmissions, pump drives, axles, HMD transmissions, planetary drives, anything funk. This is going to relate to that. So one thing that we see quite often is someone is working on one of these funk units and you just need one or two parts. In a lot of instances, this stuff's been working in the field, it's dirty, it's out there. Identifying the unit itself, the pump drive, the transmission, the easiest way to do that is usually with the data plate, spec tag that is on the unit. But when it's still on the piece of equipment, that can be sometimes difficult to actually get to. So let's say you just have one or two items that you need and they're hard parts. We have an easier way to get you the parts you need without having to identify the complete unit. So I've got three different hard parts here in front of me today. Going from your right to left, I've got a gear, I have a drive plate, and I have an input shaft. So I want to show you here on this gear, you'll see it right here. Should blow it up here on the screen. There is a stamped in number. It is a YZ280314B as in Bravo. There's going to be other numbers on that gear as well, but that YZ number that I just read, that is the part number. So if you're just needing this gear, know that Funk does stamp the actual part number onto the gear itself. As you can see from the picture on the screen, there's other stuff that is stamped on there as well. My recommendation is to just take a photo of the stamp numbers, check both sides of the gear, the hard part you're looking for, and you'll find the stamped on numbers. Send a picture of that to us, and that's going to get us the part number we need to provide you with a replacement part. This drive plate I have here, same thing. It's going to be right here. We have a YZ100940. They also stamp a number into the hub as well. And kind of the rule of thumb with this is find a flat surface on the part. That's where they're going to stamp it into. So take a picture of what you see. You see in the YZ number here on the drive plate itself that there's other text below it. Just send us a picture of the text that you see. And the last piece I have here is going to be an input shaft. Now, all parts I have are for their hydraulic pump drives, but it's really going to go for any of the family of products for Funk. Right here at the end of the input shaft, they've got some numbers. The one that is the part number is the DZ109535 number. So I hope that makes it a little bit easier for you. I know it makes it easier for us as well. If you just need one or two hard parts, in most instances for Funk, it's going to be stamped directly onto the part itself. For further support, you can reach us at pjpower.com.